So today we're going to talk about how to go viral on Instagram Threads in 5 minutes. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cardona. If you're new here, please subscribe. We talk about everything from social media, personal branding, and how to expand your business through content. So I've done a video that goes more in depth in this process that you could find on the channel. It's called How to Go Viral on Instagram Threads. So I'm gonna share with you what you should absolutely be doing to go viral on Threads in 2025. Now, if you don't know about Threads, it is still kind of a new social media platform, but it's extremely powerful. I've used it to grow my Instagram following. I've gotten like millions of impressions, hundreds of thousands of likes and interactions all on my account, which is brand new. It only has like 3,000 followers. So super powerful platform to get your message across, to keep building your personal brand, to continue to expand everything you have going on in your online world. So how to go viral on Threads. This is exactly what I did. It works. It hands down works, right? And there's a method in each platform on how to make it work. So this is similar. It's a method for this platform that works. Number one, I go through the people I'm following, the type of account that I want to create, the niche, target demographic, whatever you want to call it, right? People in that realm. I'll go through my feed and I'll find about 10 different posts that just have the tone I want it to do. I'll copy it, I'll take it into ChatGPT, I'll paste it, I'll hit regenerate, word it differently to go viral on Threads, and then I'll copy it and I'll post it on my account. I will do that in like increments of 10, but once you get, I don't know, let's say 100 of them inside of your GPT, you could just hit generate 10 viral Threads posts. And it could be about a topic. It could be like controversial. Generate 10 controversial thread posts. Generate 10 viral thread posts about the election. Or any topic you want to do, right? And then it'll pump them out for you. And you take those, you copy and paste them on your Thread account. And literally doing this exact method, I've gotten one single thread to do like hundreds of thousands of impressions, like 5,000 likes. I forget how many thousand reposts. So it works. It's like take ChatGPT, input what you want it to say, and then crank out Threads posts. So if I was trying to grow my Threads account, which I presently am, it's not like a mature account by any means. This is exactly what I would do. I would go through, find 10 different posts that I like the tonality in which I want my account to promote, copy them, post them straight into ChatGPT, hit regenerate to go viral on Threads, and then copy what it spits out, post it on your Threads account. Do that 100 times and I guarantee you will have minimum 10% of them go viral. If you want any more tricks and tips about how to go viral on social media, click the subscribe button and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Peace.